So Jason starts a run at 10:05 and finishes at 1:02. Okay. So work out the time Jason takes to complete the run. So, yeah, no, that's the answer, but let's work it out. Okay. I know, but let's just look at the basics of it. Because I want to go further than just this question. I want to go deeper so that we can actually use it in paper 4 as well. Does that make sense? Okay, so it's 10:05 and we want to get to 1:02. So the easiest there would probably be to turn this into 13, right? Good. So then, in order to, there are multiple ways that we can do this. Okay. And I'm actually going to start and open it on a new page because I quite enjoyed this question when I did it the other day. So if I take 10:05 to 13:02. Now, one way I can do it is I can say, okay, 10:05 to 12:05, which is 2 hours. And then I need to add on, I need to get from 12:05 to 13:02, which is then yes, I am doing that right. So that's going to be 3 minutes short of an hour, right? So that's going to be 57 minutes. So we're going to have 2 hours and 57. Because the point of this is not to get the answers. Understand, like, that's not the point of a work through. If you are just trying to get the answers, then you might as well just do it on your own. But the point of a work through is to look at how can we take this and use it as a basis for further learning. Does that make sense? So, pardon? Kind of. So then what we could also do here is from 10:05 to 13:02. We could also have just said, okay, so what is our time? We could say from 10:02 to 13:02. Is 3 hours. Right? And we know that it's 3 minutes short of that. Which way did you use? There we go. So you did it this way. The second way. Which is quite interesting because most of my students do it this way. Like in their heads. It does take too long. I prefer it this way, but I prefer doing it this way in my head, but I think it's important to understand different ways of doing it, especially when it comes to train calculations. Because sometimes with the train calculation, you might have a question where it has different time zones, which is quite something as well. So I'm going to label this one. What question is this? It's question 3. So we've got 2 hours and 57 minutes.